Yo, what is up, my friends? This is Adam Boyd back with another video for Adam Reviews. Today I wanted to ask you a question. Are you a runner or are you a gunner? Okay, there's two types of traders out there. The runners like the big trades. They might not get as high of a win percentage, but they love those big wins and they're willing to wait. They don't mind if they have to wait around a little bit to see their trade turn out the way that they want it to. They're not sitting there trying to get in and out very quickly. And then we have the gunners. Now gunners, they have a much higher win percentage because they're willing to pull out once they have a lower risk to reward ratio. So instead of like waiting till it's like, 4-to-1 or 3-to-1, they'll just do 1-to-1. They'll risk $100 and then they'll take their trade for a win at a take profit of $100 because they're looking for a higher win rate. They want a higher win rate. They want to get out sooner, and they may not get as high of profits as the big trades, but they still, that's the way they like to do it. So kind of you have to look at what's your personality. What do you like? Do you like making money quickly and getting out quickly? Or do you like letting it run for a while and waiting for bigger trades, even though you have the opportunity to obviously lose more trades if you let them run longer, okay? And you're waiting for a larger risk to reward, okay? So you have to determine what type of trader are you, because everybody has a different personality. Everybody likes to trade different. And I think it's very important that you figure out what you want to do and stick to that game plan. Do you like waiting for the longer trades, or do you want it done real quick with a smaller profits for each trade, but you have a higher win percentage? So what do you like to do? Definitely look into that. And if you haven't, make sure to go to my website, kangarooguide.com, and you can get a free 100% free guide on how to trade indices, Forex pairs, all that kind of stuff with naked Forex trading. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to comment below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one.